Okay, graphing a sine function. Well, let's remember each of the parts of the sine graph. We need our amplitude, which is right there, 3. We need how long it takes to make one whole cycle of the graph. 2 pi divided by the b value, which is 3 there, excuse me, there's the b value. So 360 divided by 3, that's 120 degrees. Then our phase shift is our c value, negating it, dividing it by the b number. So that's going to make it a positive pi over 3. So our phase shift is starting at 60 degrees. Alright, so we're going to set up our x and our y axis. Let's do it on the graph here. So we're going to be starting always at the phase shift. So let's make that 60 degrees. And where do we end? We're going to do the phase shift plus the period. So that's 60 plus 120. So we're going to land at 180. Okay, now I need to find the middle of that. So 180 plus 60 divided in half. That's 120. Then the middle of 60 and 120, 90. And the middle of 120 and 180 is 120 plus 180 divided in half, 150. Okay, it's a sine graph, so the amplitude is up at 3, down to negative 3. Sine graphs always start from the x-axis, so starting there at 60, our phase shift goes up to 3 on the 90-degree mark. 120 is back to the x-axis, goes down to the lower amplitude for 150, and then back to 180 to make a full cycle for the sine.